Here we are over in York this morning. Just installed a Starlink for a customer. Nice straightforward install. 18x12 galvanised bracket. 3-foot mast. Clears that roof line. Wired down in Cat 6 cable. Along the top of the bracket, round, down behind that downspout. Right the way along the bottom. Nice and tidy, and in through a nice sealed hole. Customers opted for the £35 a month plan, as it's just her and her husband, and she just needs a reliable 100 megabytes per second all throughout the property, which we have supplied without any issues whatsoever. This is Aaron and Bert, Space Internet Solutions.